So we were doing, I'll share the screen again. By the time in the chat box, you will write yes. This was the obese child, and you know that when more than the requirement, we take the fats more than the requirement, then it causes the obesity. Person becomes obese and it may lead to some medical problems, health problems like heart problems, etc. Now next, proteins. Clear? Look at the different sources of proteins. Again, egg is there, meat, fish is there. Then after that, milk and milk products are there. Avocado is there. Clear? So, yes. Now, these are the different sources of proteins, means body building foods. Different functions of proteins are, they help in growth, they build the muscles, and they help to fight off infections. They protect us from different infections. If germs attack the body, okay, they produce antibodies to fight with that. वो हमें बीमारी से, germs से भी बचाती है. Muscles build होती हैं, body build होती है. They help in the growth. Like you are growing, so you should take enough amount of these foods. If you don't go for egg and meat, fish, then you can go for pulses. Soyabean is the rich source of proteins. Spinach तो सस्ती भी होती है बहुत, and it contains the protein. Proteins होती हैं, इसमें vitamins होती हैं, minerals होती हैं. It's very healthy to eat. Okay, avocado is there, and pulses are there. So, if you do not eat the egg or meat or fish, then you can go for milk, milk products, and pulses. Clear? Some of the fruits like spinach, avocado, they are the rich sources of proteins. Your diet must contain enough amount of proteins if you want to grow well. They help in the growth. Clear to you? Then next is, yes, these are the fruits and vegetables. It may contain your favorite fruits also, but it's not there that you have to only eat your favorite fruit. You should go for seasonal fruits and vegetables. Because एक फ्रूट में से हमें सभी विटामिन्स नहीं मिलेंगे, because we need to take different types of vitamins. Vitamins एक नहीं होता, we require many types of vitamins. इनकी बहुत सारी types होती हैं. So we should go for these seasonal fruits and vegetables. Clear? So these are, we get vitamins from these fruits and vegetables in order to protect ourselves from falling sick. बीमार हम नहीं पड़े, infection से बचने के लिए we need to take the vitamins. There are various types of vitamins. Can you name? Yes, vitamin A, B, C, D, E, and K. Some of the fruits, they contain vitamin A. जितने yellow fruits होते हैं और green vegetables होती हैं, they are the rich source of vitamin A, and vitamin A is very good for your eyesight. आपको आजकल specs लग रही है ना? तो eyesight को ठीक रखने के लिए vitamin A is very essential. Like mango, papaya, apple, in सब में vitamin A is present. It's good for eyesight. Clear? एंड विटामिन बी सभी सीरियल्स में होता है. सी इज प्रेजेंट इन लेमन, ऑरेंज, क्लियर, एंड स्पिनच ऑल्सो, एंड एप्पल ऑल्सो. So D vitamin is present in the milk, butter, etc., fish, cod liver oil, and when you sit in the sunlight, your body automatically prepare vitamin D. So vitamins are very essential to fight with infections. They are present in green leafy vegetables and fruits. Minerals are also very essential. Along with vitamins, we need minerals also. Okay. So in the first picture, look at the two sources. Can you write what we get from these two? What do we get from spinach? Spinach से हमें कौन सा मिल जाता है? Mineral. Which mineral we obtain from spinach and eggs? Yes, can you write? I'm waiting for your answer. Yes, we get iron, and iron is very important for us. जो हमारे blood formation के लिए iron जरूरी होता है. Iron we get from green leafy vegetables, for example spinach. Egg also contain iron, और apple में भी होता है. तो आपको ग्रीन लीफी वेजिटेबल्स खानी चाहिए. अपने मम्मा को नहीं बोलना है कि मुझे ये सब्जी पसंद नहीं है. नो, यू हैव टू रिमेन हेल्दी. If you want to be healthy, then you have to take these. Okay? So iron जो हमारे ब्लड में हीमोग्लोबिन को बनाता है. हीमोग्लोबिन इज कैरियर ऑफ ऑक्सीजन टू ऑल पार्ट्स ऑफ बॉडी. ये हमारी बॉडी में ऑक्सीजन को कैरी करता है टू डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ बॉडी. तो ब्लड का जो रेड कलर है वो भी HB की वजह से होता है. सो वी शुड टेक द आयरन, एंड iron is very good for the formation of blood. Then next, milk. Milk में ज़्यादा क्या होता है? Although milk में विटामिन C को छोड़ के सब nutrients होते हैं required for the proper functioning. But इसमें कैल्शियम होता है, that is very good for your teeth and bones. आपके 7 पेज पे मिनरल्स में जैसा फंक्शंस लिखे हुए हैं, you have to underline that also. Calcium, it helps to make the teeth and bones strong. हमारी bones, हमारे teeth कैल्शियम से बने होते हैं. Calcium we get from the milk and milk products. Okay, so one main source I am going to write, otherwise आपकी बुक में और भी दिए हुए हैं. Then sodium, जो हम टेबल सॉल्ट खाते हैं, और सॉल्ट जो है इसमें सोडियम होता है. इट ऑल्सो कीप आवर बॉडी हेल्थी. ये हमारी जो ब्लड प्रेशर है उसको मेंटेन करने में हेल्प करता है. क्लियर? सॉल्ट इज ऑल्सो एसेंशियल एंड इट कंटेन्स सोडियम एंड क्लोरीन. क्लियर? सो सोडियम इज important to keep our body healthy. So iron is present in whole wheat also. जो आटा जिसमें से हम उसके जो छिलक होते हैं वीट के, उसको उतारने के बिना जो फ्लोर बनाते हैं. लाइक आप ब्राउन ब्रेड खाते हो ना, एक वाइट ब्रेड होता है. तो जो ब्राउन ब्रेड होगा उसके जो वीट होगी उसमें क्या होगा? आयरन, रेदर देन वाइट ब्रेड. So then eggs, meat, they also contain iron. Sodium is important, iron is important, calcium is important. So all these minerals are also very much important for the body. So we should go for fruits and vegetables. जब हम seasonal fruits and vegetables खाते हैं तो हमें कभी भी vitamins और minerals की shortage नहीं होती. विटामिन हमें बहुत कम क्वांटिटी में चाहिए होते हैं, बट दे आर वेरी एसेंशियल टू प्रोटेक्ट अस फ्रॉम द डिजीजेस. भूमि, द नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम मे बी फ्रॉम योर साइड बेटा. क्लियर? यस. Next, look at this. These are again fruits and vegetables. Clear? So they are the rich sources of what? What do we get from all these? ऑल्दो में सब पढ़ चुके हैं, कोकोनट से हमें हेल्दी फैट्स मिलते हैं, ओके, कैल्शियम और फॉस्फोरस इज प्रेजेंट इन बनाना, मिनरल होता है, एप्पल में तो बहुत सारे विटामिन और मिनरल्स होते हैं, आयरन भी होता है, ओके, देन all these are the different sources of fiber. Very good. Fiber means, another name of fiber is roughage. Clear? Another name of fiber is roughage. Do we get some nutrient from roughage? No. We do not get any nutrient from roughage, but it is very essential for the body because it forms bulk in our diet. Clear? हमारा पेट भर जाता है when we take salad along with the food. जब हम खाना खाते हैं, लंच करते हैं, डिनर करते हैं, तो when we eat the salad also it adds bulk to the food. And it helps to remove undigested food from our body. हमारी जो elementary canal है, food canal है, उसको ये clean करता है. It removes undigested food and it checks constipation. Okay? आपको constipation नहीं होती when you take enough amount of salad. Whole wheat salad, porridge, semolina, जो सूजी वगैरह होती है ना, दलिया खाती हो, सैलेड्स खाती हो, दे आर द गुड सोर्सेज ऑफ रफेज. वो रफेज के गुड सोर्सेज है. ओके, एंड वाटर इज ऑल्सो इक्वली इम्पॉर्टेंट. We should drink 6 to 8 glasses of water because water helps to maintain your body temperature. It removes the toxics from your body. Body में से जो poisonous products and they are removed from the body in the form of sweat and urine. Clear? In order to remain healthy, you should drink enough amount of water. Clear? So, water is important, roughage is important, although it does not provide any nutrient, but it helps to make our digestive system healthy. Clear? Now in the chat box, write down the main 5 nutrients that we require. जो आज हमने किए हैं 5 nutrients which are required for the body. Can you write the names of these? Yes. No बेटा, sodium is the mineral. वो further differentiate किया हमने, but जो 5 main है, like number 1 carbohydrates. Rather, rest of the 4 you have to write. Write it. Be quick. Carbohydrates, not milk. Milk is source. I am talking about the nutrients, fats. Yes, good. Proteins, good. Not bread. Bread is source of carbohydrates. This is good answer. Carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Very good. They are the nutrients. Nutrients means food substances which are essential for the proper functioning of the body. Clear? आप egg लिख रहे हो जसजीत. Egg is the source of these nutrients. Egg is the food source. Food जो nutrients का source है. Otherwise, जो nutrients present in the food, they are fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals. Clear? अब आपको इन सब के at least 2 sources पता होने चाहिए, main sources and function of each. Okay? Arnav, can you unmute and can you tell the function of proteins? Yes, Arnav. हाँ जी बेटा. Can you tell?